Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related. I got you covered. Today's video, I'm still on this mission to look like I have laminated brows without putting much effort because I know I'm not going to put the effort into it, but I like the look. I just don't know if I can achieve it with my eyebrows. Anyway, Maybelline's Tattoo Studio Brow Lift Stick. Got it on Ulta. I saw it, it's new. It came in like, I think 4 colors. I got the clear one because I didn't trust the colors that were there. And I feel like with a product like this, it's like thick, so it may get everywhere. I wanted to go with clear. Let's just put it that way. Now, this retails for $12.99. It says all day wear. It's basically like the look of going to a salon and having laminated brows, but done at home. Open it. I love the packaging. I love that it's in like this like kind of chromey thing. All right, what an interesting, hold on. Okay, wax stick and brush. So we have one end that has the wax in it. The other end has, ooh, it's like a silicone triangular brush. Can you see that? Hold on, let me get in close. See that? I'll show you the waxy side again in case it wasn't in focus. Alright. So it's simple. It just says you use it up and then you turn it around and use the brush to kind of comb it through. It's that simple. It's going to be a short video. Alright. I actually have my eyebrows filled in already. I don't know if I should have not filled them in before and then colored them in after. I'll be honest with you, I don't see myself doing it that way. I don't know. I'm new to this still. So anyways, I'm going to take it. Gonna get in close. See, like I like the way my eyebrows look when I fill them in like this, but I do want them to have like that defined look. So let's try it this way. If it doesn't work, I'll take off this eyebrow and do it without anything in it. So I'm going to take it and okay. It's pretty, like you could see it. It looks pretty what's the word I'm looking for? Like the way everybody else's eyebrows look when they do like the Anastasia thing, like it makes the brows look kind of like wet. Not wet. Like laminated. Anna, get your words right. I wonder, the other side is like a little bit flat. I wonder if I can just, there you go. I see everybody has like even e.l.f. came out with something that has like a flat spoolie on one side. Or like a spatula looking thing, and I'm wondering if that's for like flattening it out. Oh, there goes one of my eyebrow hairs. So just going up, and I'm gonna flip it again. I don't know if that's how it's meant to be used, but I'm gonna do that because I see everybody else doing it. I know why everybody does the filling in after, because it doesn't move your hairs around a lot. The wax is pretty good though. It's I feel like it's pretty strong. I feel like it's also exposing my little bald spots in my eyebrows. I guess that's why everybody fills it in after. That's one eyebrow done. Do you guys see a difference? I mean, I see a difference. It definitely looks It definitely looks more feathery. Okay, so let's try this. Let me fill in that little gap now. Because maybe you're supposed to comb it first and then fill it in. That makes more sense now. I think I was just being lazy about it. Get this brushy thing again. Kind of like that. I like it a lot. Alright, it's a lot easier than the soap brow, like wetting the brush and stuff. It's a lot easier than that. Alright, let me try blend this out and even myself out. Go back with this. And I'm just going to go up. This time I'm going to be more generous with the product. Man, if you have nice full brows, like full dark brows, and you want that laminated look, this clear color is going to be perfect for you. Sometimes I feel like my left brow is like thicker than my right brow. Alright, I'm going to go back with my pencil, fill that in. Now I know why everybody likes those brow pens. Probably should have used that instead. Okay. Alright, let me put this away. So this is the result. Kind of like it. I like it a lot. See, I see myself doing this versus the soap thing versus the, I bought one from Makeup Revolution that like you're supposed to spray and go, like it, that's, the fact that I have to bring water into it to do it is too many steps for me. I'm lazy, I want to be quick, I want to be out the door. This I can do. This is easy. This is like, I'll do this first and then I'll fill them in. I just have to get used to like, I have to get used to it, but I like it. I feel like it makes me look younger because it makes my brows look fuller. Maybe because I'm on trend with everybody else now. I could do a better job. I need practice, but I'm happy with this. Like this, I could actually leave out. I could leave going out, leave out the door. You know what I mean? Like it looks good. It looks good. I'll just fix like this right here. That looks good. I like this. We can do this, guys. We can definitely do it. Okay. The Tattoo Studio Brow Lift Stick is a yes for me. Super easy to use. And it didn't, I noticed this too, because I've seen when people do it, sometimes they get like that like waxy, it almost looks white on their eyebrows. I didn't see that with this. This just straight up like just held it like a true wax. And yeah, it looks nice. Like I can see like the featheriness up here and here. So it's a good one. I like it. This one I can definitely see myself using again. I like it. It's a good one. Try it out. Let me know if you like it. Yeah, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one.